electronics. All about electronics.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel Just Do Electronics. In this video, I will show you how to make a fingerprint voting machine. In this system, you storage total number of the finger is the 255. I will explain all the parts, how to make all the circuits and how to use the circuits. Okay, first you storage all the finger, and you if place the voting finger, you easily to do the voting if the finger is matches. If the finger is not matches, the system not allowed to do voting. Okay, first thing. And second things is, if you try to doing the second time to voting to any candidate, this system is not allowed to do this voting. See in the system, if I place the voting system, and if I place the second time to my finger in the fingerprint sensors, the display say that already voted, is not accepted to second times. Is very security purpose of the projects. If I place the second finger, if the system is allowed to that, but I cannot put the voting. I can press the result button and see the candidate is the result one is the given. Okay, let's see in the components what I use in this project. To all components, first I use the component of the Arduino Nano board. The Arduino Nano is the main controller, is the 8 Vega 328 IC chips, and the working voltage is the 5 volt. Second is the 16:2 LCD display, one buzzer. This is the fingerprint R307 model. To storage the total number of the finger is the 255, 0 to 255. I use total number of the 8 push buttons, but in this voting system I use 3 push buttons, 2 for candidates and 1 for results. Okay, let's go in the directly the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, I will show you Arduino Nano board, 16:2 LCD display, buzzer, 8 push button, and 1 R307 fingerprint sensor. The all connection is the given. Okay, let's go in the making all the hardwares. I designed the design the PCB and different slots and the candidate push switch. 2 candidates and 1 is the result. First I put the 16:2 LCD display in the slots. Second, I put Arduino Nano to the slots. And then I put R307 fingerprint sensor to our fingerprint sensor slots. Okay, the hardware is ready now. This is the Arduino Nano USB cable. I given the power supply of the using the power bank. The power bank given to the 5 volt to Arduino Nano. This is the total hardware circuit. Is required only 0 PCB, Arduino Nano, 16:2 LCD display, 8 push button and 1 buzzer. Okay, see the code. To making this code, I use Arduino IDE software. First include all the library, check all the LCD pins, check all the 5 push button pins, and in this code I will use 3 candidates, but I can put only 2 candidates in the push button. Check all the pins, check input and output. Code is the small longs, but don't worry, I given the code in my video descriptions. Please go and check. If you any doubt, please comment it. If you any error facing the any error, please comment it. I will see the comment and I will help you, don't worry. This This is the quite long code. Okay, go to the tools, select board and press the compile button. See in the right side the compiling is started. Wait for a second. Done compiling. Okay. Without wasting of time, let's go and see the working of the project. Is the important part. First I power up the supply using the power bank. All the system is working. LCD 16:2 LCD display, all these candidate 00. Okay, first I place the add finger because I select up one. I add finger in the one numbers. See, I place the finger, place again. This is the finger is not a storage. I try in the second time. Place one. I place the finger. System said that remove the finger. I remove and again place. See, finger one is a storage. I press second time. I given to second number. Okay. I place the second finger. See that remove finger. Second finger is also storage. I place in the second time and I given the ID is third. Remove finger and place again. Third finger is also storage. Okay, three finger is storage. Then I can place the voting system. See shaded voting. Place the finger. I can place the first finger. Finger dot not found. I can place another time. Finger found. Authority please given the voting is the candidate 1, candidate 2 and the result. I press the candidate 1 voting. I given the candidate 1 voting is the done. I place the second finger. Matching the finger, please your voting. Then I can given the candidate 1 voting again. Third is the admin finger. I can place the finger. I cannot given the any candidate voting. I can press the result buttons and see the candidate 2 is the wins. Sorry, candidate 1 is the wins. If you reset the system, you press the Arduino reset button and the result button in the some few seconds. Then the system is reset. Delete all the things, your finger ID, your voting, all the things. Because okay, if you dislike this project, please share of your all the friends. And if you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.